You study for hours, but when the exam paper lands in front of you, half of it feels like you're seeing it for the first time. Sound familiar? The problem isn't effort, it's method. Reading the same chapter 5 times doesn't mean you've understood it. Watching random videos doesn't mean you will remember it on exam day. What if there was a smarter way? A tutor that's available whenever you need it, explains things the way you understand, and makes sure what you study actually stays. Meet Super Tutor. Ask any doubt, anytime, and get a clear step-by-step explanation in seconds. Stuck at midnight before your exam? Your AI tutor is right there. No judgment, no waiting, just answers. But that's just where it starts. Open any chapter and you'll find 11 different ways to master it. Summaries with clear diagrams and workflows. So you see the big picture. Concept maps connecting every idea. Detailed explanations that break down the hard parts. Revision notes for the night before the exam. Flashcards powered by spaced repetition. They bring back exactly what you're about to forget. Misconception busters that catch your mistakes before the examiner does. Exam answer templates showing you how toppers structure their answers. Memory anchors, cheat sheets, study slides. Everything in one place. Then test yourself. Adaptive quizzes that get harder as you improve. Mock exams built to match your exact board paper pattern. 20 plus years of solved previous year papers. You don't just learn the content, you learn how to perform under pressure. Track your progress chapter by chapter, subject by subject. See exactly where you're strong and where you need work. No guessing, just data. CBSE, ICSE state boards, JEE, NEET. 14 boards, 20 plus exams. All covered, all in one app. Starting at just 249 rupees a month. That's less than 7 rupees a day. 60,000 students already study smarter with Super Tutor. Rated 4.8 stars. Start free today. No card, no commitment. Just pick your board, open a chapter, and feel the difference yourself.